Previously on Sailing Doodles, we sailed to Maumere, Indonesia. In this episode, we visit some volcanic lakes and get attacked by a monkey. Follow along on our journeys. We sail 15,000 miles to Thailand, and this channel is made possible by our patrons. Maumere is the largest city on the island of Flores in Indonesia.
We made it. Aladdin's our guy. He's going to take care of us.
Aladdin is the imam at the local mosque and also runs a yacht services company helping cruisers with everything they need. He was helping us to get diesel, set up a tour for us, and showed us around his city.
I've been in I lived in Nigeria for 4 years, and I've been all over Africa, and I've been to a pretty place where there's a lot of trash. It's just everywhere. It's awful.
Do not fall in there.
No.
You might die.
I mean, there's like some kind of dead animal right there. I saw it earlier. I don't know.
Right there.
Yeah.
Bro.
Oh, it smells bad. Ugh.
It's one of the great things about Southeast Asia is that, fried rice, noodles, egg, a little bit of beef, whatever. This is like $1 a piece, and then the beers are less than $1. They might be a little more than $1.
Did you just say less than $1?
I'd buy that for $1. Name the movie quote. But I mean, being able to get food this is really good too, and they just made it. I mean, it's fresh, so cheap. I mean, it's.
Whoa, that's spicy.
That evening, Aladdin had us over to his home to introduce us to his family and show us his scrapbook of all the cruisers he's helped over the years.
Photo albums from '91.
He's been doing this a long time. It's pretty cool.
All the boats that he's helped.
The next morning, well before dawn, we had a tour set up to take us to the Kelimutu volcanic lakes.
All right, about a 3-hour drive to this point. We are getting back in. We're almost there. All right, not exactly sure how long of a hike it is, but we'll head that way.
You said 1 kilometer, 50 minutes. Race ya?
There were plenty of signs reminding us that Kelimutu is an active volcano. The lakes frequently change colors depending on the chemical makeup of the gases flowing up through them. It's not very well understood, but mostly people think it has to do with the oxidation levels. On our visit, they were blue and green, but they could easily be red or white.
Notice all the purple.
Don't ask me where she gets the energy. I don't know. She had a little caffeine this morning. This is really steep. I'm out of breath. High altitude. Lots of steps. All right, we're making it. Ooh, a monkey. All right, I got a little food. I'm gonna try to feed the monkey. Ah, oh my God.
Look at, he's right here stealing ones. Go, here you go, buddy. He took the whole bag.
You little jerk.
Hey, babe, you are what you eat. He's gone nuts. No. Look at us.
These monkeys don't play around, man. That's hilarious. All right, so I think I have monkeypox or something because he scratched me and it broke the skin a little. You can see it. Hopefully I don't.
You know what? Who flings poo?
Monkeys. You never know when monkeys are gonna attack. All right, they're distracted eating noodles. I think we can pass.
I remember long time ago in 91. This is to go down because I lost my sunshine.
So we left Kelimutu and made a stop at their healing hot springs on the way back.
I probably would have done it. Yeah, this is like backwater. Super nice. I've never seen anything like this.
I'm not exactly sure what town we're in right now. We're taking a little break. Aladdin, who's been our guide for this whole thing, is actually in the mosque praying, so we are waiting while he does that.
And covering up.
Yeah, and covering up. So we'll see what's going on around here.
It's got dirty feet. No dirty feet on the boat. He doesn't like the noise.
How do you know? Go pet it.
He's gonna kick me. He's going for a ride.
Oh. That cow did not want to go for a ride. I don't really blame him. He's probably being hauled off to be eaten or something. Back in town, Aladdin had our fuel jugs filled, so we took him to the boat. Some pretty exciting news for you guys that maybe followed me from aviation and stuff like that. Sailing Doodles is starting a second channel. Don't worry, Sailing Doodles, the primary channel is still the primary channel. That's where most of the work will come in and everything. But we've also started a second channel. It's called Flying Doodles, and here is the trailer for that now. This used to be me. I was a professional pilot and thought I had it made. But one day I woke up and had a stroke, and that stripped me of my flying career. But you know what? I made the best of it. I sold everything I owned, bought a boat, and went out cruising. And now I'm coming back to aviation with Flying Doodles. So you know what? That stroke that I thought was the worst thing that ever happened to me really was the best. Welcome to Flying Doodles, where every week we'll bring you a new video featuring a different airplane.
We're going to interview the aircraft owners, give you a little background information on them and their airplane, and then take it up in the air.
I can't see myself with anyone else.
We are also going to take you on some cross-country flights where we show you start to finish the whole flight planning process, and we'll show you what it's really like to own your own airplane.
No matter what I'll do, I try not to fall apart.
So please go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell next to it to get notifications every time we post a new video. Be sure to leave a comment down below on what kind of airplanes you'd like to see next.
It's a long way down, but I feel alive. None of this will break my bones, but the memories may hug me down. But I will let go. It is on my mind, and in this heart there is room for you even.
So if you like that kind of stuff, basically it's going to be kind of like a boat tour Tuesday type thing. So, you know, on a boat tour Tuesday, we find a cruiser that's got a boat. We ask them about their boat and how they got into it. Then we go and take a tour of their boat. Well, we're going to do the same thing with Flying Doodles, except about airplanes. We're going to find somebody that owns their own airplane. Going to ask them why they picked that airplane, their experiences in that airplane, and then we're going to take a little tour of it and then go fly it too. So look for that. The video should be out already. Go find that channel. There's a link popping up right here. Find that channel, Flying Doodles. Please click like, subscribe, do all that stuff. We'll continue to bring the best videos to both Sailing Doodles and Flying Doodles as we can.